Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at twinklingtree.com, a website that promises to turn your living room into a magical forest. But is it a legitimate winter wonderland or just a fancy way to get ghosted by a light bulb? Let's find out together. The site specializes in all things shiny, from LED trees and fairy lights to glowing branches designed to create a warm, cozy feel. It's basically a one-stop shop for anyone whose interior design philosophy is more fire hazards, please. On the bright side, we found some actual signs of life. The domain was registered back in 2020, meaning it has been active for 5 years, which is practically a century in the world of sketchy e-commerce. They also boast a massive social media following, with over 126,000 people on Facebook who apparently enjoy looking at pictures of illuminated sticks. The website layout is clean, and they offer both email and live chat support, giving you the comforting illusion that someone might actually answer if your order goes missing in the North Pole. However, this is where the fairy tale starts to show some cracks. If you look at the reviews on their own website, everything is perfect, almost suspiciously perfect, like a scripted reality show. But when you venture out into the real world of Trustpilot, they're sitting at a mediocre 2.7 stars. Over on Reddit, the feedback is even more brutal. Many users claim the products they received look significantly less enchanted and more dollar store clearance rack than the professional photos suggested. The list of grievances is longer than a child's letter to Santa, featuring complaints about cheap materials, broken items, and shipping delays that might actually outlast the holiday season. To top it off, trying to get a refund involves an international return process, so expensive you might as well just keep the broken lamp as a monument to your poor choices. So, while twinklingtree.com is a real, operational business, it's a total gamble. If you decide to shop here, proceed with extreme caution and keep your expectations as low as their Trustpilot score. Thanks for watching.